Hey, happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. So that means it's another episode of Tech Tip Friday. Today, I wanted to cover that debate, when you got that new monitor and you're looking at the back of your gaming PC and trying to decide which cable works better for the display. Um, if it's a gaming PC with a video card, DisplayPort gives you a better experience as long as the monitor supports it. DisplayPort is even available over USB-C connections, and it does support the variable refresh rate or VRR as well. So, if it's a gaming PC with a nicer gaming monitor or a monitor that supports VRR, try DisplayPort first. Now, if it's an older one or whatever, try the HDMI, VGA, DVI, whatever. But for the best performance from a gaming PC with a video card and a gaming monitor, try DisplayPort first. Hope that tip helps. Around the shop, I was piddling this morning with this ThinkPad. The existing wireless inside this laptop config was pretty slow. So I popped in the handy USB AC wireless adapter, and lo and behold, I'm getting 200 and let's see, it seems like I got like 230. I have gigabit here at the shop, but I'm getting download speed of it's getting close to 200, and then upload was substantially more as well, rather than that old Centrino connection on there. Yeah, 218, and upload is already past 200. So a lot better wireless experience just with that little USB adapter versus having to change the card inside the laptop and hope the BIOS supports that card. And this is by far easier. You need wireless, you plug it in. If you don't, you leave it unplugged. We're open today 10 to 7, and we're open tomorrow 10 to 7. So if you're out running around, come by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and we're here Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in this morning. Happy July 4th, and come on by and see us for some in-store specials.